Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite muscle building high protein meals. It's quick and easy to make. You're going to take 2 cans of tuna and 1 large can of chicken, drain them, mix them up very well till you can barely discern the difference. You're going to weigh it out, and then you're going to add 1 ounce of ranch dressing for each 4 ounces of weight for the meat. So basically 20% of your total weight at the end will be ranch dressing. It's great to eat plain with a fork. You can also eat it on a bed of spinach or with celery sticks. Now the total calorie count for a single batch, including 1 large can of chicken, 2 small cans of tuna, is only 1,030 calories with 88 grams of protein.